In this video, I will show you how to use LearnETH. LearnETH is a plugin for interactive tutorials. You can use it to learn smart contract programming and also to learn how to use Remix. To use LearnETH, you have to activate its plugin. Go to the plugin menu, search for LearnETH, and click on Activate. If this is the first time you use LearnETH, you may see a modal window asking you permission to write a file. Click Yes, and also remember this choice. When you go to the LearnETH plugin, you will see this menu. If you click here, LearnETH will switch to the other side of the screen. If you do this, LearnETH will reinitialize, and so if you are in the middle of a tutorial, you'll lose your place. Here you can see the list of courses. You have courses for beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. You have one course for learning how to use Remix, and the rest of the courses are about smart contract programming and blockchain. First, let's try out this Solidity course. If you click here, you will see a longer description for the course. And if you click here, it will start the course. This is the list of lessons. Let's click on this one. On the top left, you have the menu bar. To go back to the home menu, click here. To see the list of lessons, click here. To navigate between lessons, click here or here. On the left, you have the lesson and challenge description. And on the right, you have the code of the current lesson. At the bottom of the left panel, you have a button to check your answer and another to see the answer if you are stuck. Let's solve this challenge. Let's check the answer, and this is correct. Next, let's check out the NFT course. We go to the homepage, we click on NFT course. This course will go through the Solidity code of an NFT contract and then show you how to deploy a contract that has a graphic digital asset attached to it. And we start with this lesson. In this lesson, there is a quiz. You have to write the answer number in the Solidity file on the right. For example, let's try. Then let's check the answer. I have 2 errors. And if I want to see the answer, I click here. Next, let's check out the NFT auction course. We go to the homepage, we click on the NFT auction course, and we start with this lesson. This tutorial goes over the Solidity code of an NFT auction contract, and then it shows how to interact with it. And here you will see another type of assignment. You have to do a series of tasks, and when you are done, you click on Next. But unlike the other courses I showed you before, there is no feedback mechanism. The great thing about having a tutorial inside of Remix is that you can work on a lesson, but then veer off to try using Remix other tools on the example files, like the debugger or Solidity static analyzers, to learn even more. With these tutorials, your understanding of Solidity should improve through practical application. Now you know how to use LearnETH in Remix. There are many other courses available, and I encourage you to explore them. That's it for this video.